Hello, Sergun and friends. Welcome to my unforgettable moment video. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Christopher Sepnispalaya. I'm from English Literature, batch 2022. My first unforgettable moment is that when I was able to, for the first time, to ride my bike. It was an amazing feeling. It led me to be able to ride my motorcycle. It was the first thing that motivates me to learn motorcycle too. And then the second things, of course, it was my uh, it was the time that when I'm able to uh, ride my motorcycle. It was a great feeling. I could finally uh, ride my uh, go everywhere. Go everywhere I wanna go to school. And then my third unforgettable moment is when I got the scholarship uh, from Uki. It was the best moment because I've always wanted to go to college, but my financial uh, the financial condition in my family is just not going to support where if I'm going to if I wanna go to college, and that's why I was applying for scholarship in Nuki, and then I got in. uh, it was an amazing feeling, uh, a great feeling lah. uh, I think that is it. uh, I have many unforgettable moments, but I can't remember, I can't think of any right now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.